Quality lies in lasting and enduring. Innovation drives technology iteration. Cooperation forges brand value. Momentum derives from inheriting excellence. TechPack has provided the most professional overall packaging solutions, renting packaging services, and one-stop packaging materials for over 20 years, with a vision to become a worldwide pioneering innovative green packaging solution provider and shared leasing service provider that resolves customer needs, leading the trend of green and low-carbon supply chains. We are always working on it. Founded in 2012, Qingdao Huading focused on the group's overseas business. We are a comprehensive manufacturer of logistics and storage products in China, including plastic sleeve boxes, plastic pallets, plastic folding pallet boxes, and various inner packaging designs and products. Our rich product line satisfies customers' different special requirements. In the past 5 years, TechPack has not only improved its one-stop logistics, warehousing, and packaging products, but also provided a comprehensive and intelligent supply chain cycle packaging, sharing, and leasing packaging services, which are widely used in the automotive and motorcycle parts packaging, transportation, chemical, and beverage packaging industries. With diligent cultivation and professional dedication, our packaging products, as an important part of product transportation, directly affect the integrity and delivery of the entire product. Therefore, TechPack has created an independent R&D center, which can always provide customized products. The core members have more than 20 years of industry experience and are also recognized as the world's largest edge board box manufacturer. After 20 years of hard work, TechPack has now obtained multiple certifications, such as ISO 9001, ISO 14001, and Dangerous Goods Packaging certification. With persistent cultivation and reliable and durable product quality, we not only provide high-quality plastic packaging products, but also professional and reusable packaging solutions, which have won the long-term trust and confidence of our customers. Currently, we have established strategic partnerships with brands such as Porsche, BMW, Volvo, CATL, Volkswagen, Nissan, Geely, Ford, etc., with annual sales exceeding 1 million units.
始终为客户着想，始终为客户提供定制产品，专门的秋息团队和独立的测试实验室，反复测试，只为提高出品质量。
严苛的生产要求使我们生产出行业领先优质的产品。每一次客户的再次选择，都是对我们产品的高度的认可。
7乘24小时售后服务，快速响应客户请求，工作日1小时快速响应，准时发货和订单跟踪，为您的产品保驾护航。
TechPack is committed to the pursuit of technology, innovative development, and the pursuit of excellence. We adhere to the direction of advancing customer satisfaction and strive to explore the continuous upgrade of quality and service. TechPack, the world's most trustworthy packaging industry manufacturer and renting packaging service provider. Exclusive packaging solution customization, helping your business.